Are you one of those international nurses who also wants to work in California and earn a lot of money? And you don't know how to endorse your license DIY to California Board of Nursing? Well, here's the right video for you. There will be two parts of video for our DIY license endorsement to California, and this is our first part of the video. If you want to endorse your license to California, the first thing that you want to do is to register to California Board of Nursing. And in order for us to do that, we can register to breeze.ca.com. Just a heads up mga KATHihik, if you want to endorse your license, make sure you already have the money to pay for your registration, and it's gonna be $799 US because if you were not be able to pay it within 48 hours, they will cancel your application. To have a smooth application in California Board of Nursing, we need to prepare all this documents. To prepare our nursing diploma, PRC license ID, SSN, print card, 2x2 picture, explanation letter why you don't have a passport during your nursing college or your nursing days, marriage contract if applicable, all pages of your old and new passport, nurse's receipt, and the $799 US. So what are you waiting for? Grab your laptop or iPad or phone and let's start registration. Just simply go to breeze.ca.gov. Then if you don't have an account yet, click the Breeze registration hyperlink. Here you have to input your first and last name, your email, user ID and password recovery question, then click Next. Now it shows your dashboard. Under Application, click this one and choose California Board of Nursing. And for Application, choose RN Endorsement. Then click Select. Then here you can read the introduction. Mga KATHihik, please read this as this is very important. Heads up lang po. It says here that California Board of Nursing will not issue a license if you are lacking any educational requirements, and application fee is unrefundable if ever you are ineligible for the endorsement. And here you can also read the instruction regarding the fingerprinting requirements. You have two options. It's either you can do live scan process or manual fingerprint process. For mine, I did live scanning since I have family that resides in California. After you read carefully, you click Next. Here, you can read the Privacy Act. Click Agree after reading. Here, mga KATHihik, it is just a yes or no questions to assess if you are eligible to submit an online application. I answered here yes since I have SSN. I passed NCLEX, so yes. I have an active license from other state of the US, so also a yes. Have I ever been issued an RN California license? It's a no because I don't have California license. Lastly, have I ever reviewed the general instruction about application and requirements? Yes. Then we're gonna click Next. So here are the application questions. For the first question, are you applying for license by endorsement? Yes. For this question, did I graduate from a registered nursing program in the US? I answered here no because I graduated in the Philippines. So here, my answer is no. Then for the next one, you're gonna answer if you're going to submit fingerprint via fingerprint hard card. I answered here yes, but after I submitted my application, I decided to do live scanning since it's less hassle for me because I have a family in California. For the rest of the questions, I answered no since all of the questions are not applicable for me. Then I click Next. Under name and personal details, your information will automatically be filled in since we already input those information during the registration. Just review it. If everything is correct, then click Next. Under contact details, just click this Add button. Then I clicked Address of Record. Then Next. Then input your complete address, phone number, and email. Then click Continue. Here, just review if everything is correct. Then click Next. Under Education History, just click Add button. Type in the name of your school, start, end, and graduation date, and your degree. Then click Next. Here, we will input out-of-state license information. So this is our license here in the US. Maybe you are wondering why I put Texas under the state where I held a current and active license, and I answered New York under the questions license by examination. Because mga KATHihik, I took my NCLEX under New York Board of Nursing, then I just endorsed it to Texas and now to California Board of Nursing. For the license number, issued, and expiration date, you can check those information in nurses.com. After you filled up everything, click Next. Here is the discipline and conviction questions. I answered all no because I don't have any disciplinary proceedings against my RN licenses. For previous name section, you can input here your maiden names and alias names. I just click Next since it is not applicable for me. Mga KATHihik, here we can upload all the documents I mentioned earlier. Just press Choose File button, then click the certain document, then click Attach. Once you uploaded everything, then you can click Next. And now we're already here in application summary. Make sure to review everything. If everything is correct, then you can click proceed to payment. They accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Then after paying it, then you will receive a confirmation in your email address. For our part 2 license endorsement to California DIY, it will tackle about how are you going to do your fingerprint, full documents, verify your USRM license, and other things. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you will be notified once I upload my part 2. See you!